photoelectric effect when a certain frequency of light incident on a metal surface electrons are ejected out from the surface. The ejected electrons are known as photoelectrons. This phenomena is known as photoelectric effect. Then what is photoelectric effect? In photoelectric effect, when we met to fall certain frequency of light, electrons are ejected out. Already we have discussed that light is made of photons. So when photons falls on the metal surface, the energy of the photons absorbed by the electrons and electrons ejected out of the metal surface, and the ejected electrons are known as a photoelectrons, and this phenomena is known as a photoelectric effect. There are some terms related to photoelectric effect. First term is work function. What is work function? Work function is the minimum energy. Work function is the minimum energy required for emission of electron. Any metal surface to eject out the electrons need minimum energy, and this minimum energy is known as a work function. It is denoted by W naught or phi naught. In some books it is denoted by W naught, and in some books it is denoted by the phi naught. So phi naught is the minimum energy which is necessary for any metal surface to eject out the electrons. Next term is the threshold frequency. What is threshold frequency? The frequency corresponding to the work function. Work function is equal to the HF naught. Here F naught is the frequency corresponding to the work function, and this is the minimum frequency which is necessary to eject out the electron. So the minimum frequency of the incident photon. The photon which is incident on a metal surface should have a minimum frequency to eject out the electrons. So the minimum frequency which is must to eject out the electron from any metal surface is known as a threshold frequency, and the wavelength corresponding to the threshold frequency is known as threshold wavelength. And here, if threshold frequency is minimum, the minimum frequency required to eject out the electron is known as a threshold frequency, then the corresponding wavelength will be the maximum wavelength. This is the maximum wavelength which can eject out the electron from the metal surface. What we learned? We learned that what is the photoelectric effect. Ejected electrons are called photoelectrons. Threshold frequency is the minimum frequency corresponding to the work function. W naught is equal to HF naught, या HC upon lambda naught. Lambda naught is the threshold wavelength. Next topic is kinetic energy of the photoelectrons. When a photon of frequency f is incident on a metal surface, then energy of the photon is directly proportional to the frequency of the photon, and energy of the photon is given by h into f. This photon is absorbed by the electrons, and electrons used this energy in two ways. First, in work function, and second, the remaining part of the energy provides the electron kinetic energy. Here, electrons absorb the energy of a photon. The energy of the photon is equal to the h into f, where h is the Planck constant and f is the frequency of the incident light. This energy is completely absorbed by the electrons, and electrons use this energy in two ways. First, in work function. Work function is depend on the type of metal, and the remaining of the energy provide the kinetic energy of the electron. Electron gets the energy, come to the surface, and remaining part of energy give its kinetic energy. Electrons does not located at the same places. It located at the different places in the metal surface. Some of the electrons are located near the surface. It get maximum kinetic energy. The electron which are away from the metal surface get less kinetic energy than the maximum kinetic energy. So ejected electrons have not the same kinetic energy. The energy of the ejected electron vary from 0 to maximum kinetic energy. The electrons which are near the surface have maximum kinetic energy. The electrons, as we move away from the metal surface, the kinetic energy of the electrons decreases, and it varies from 0 to maximum. Here is the equation: E is equal to W naught plus maximum kinetic energy. From here we can write maximum kinetic energy is equal to E minus W naught. There are few concepts in photoelectric effect. First is the intensity. What is intensity means? If we say intensity increases, then it means number of photons increases. Intensity of the light is directly proportional to the number of photons. If intensity is increasing, then number of photons also increasing. And the energy of a photon is directly proportional to the frequency. The energy of a photon does not depend upon the intensity of light. It depends upon the frequency. Already we have discussed that E is equal to h into f, and E is directly proportional to the frequency of the light. And third one is the only one photon can transfer its energy to one electron. There is one photon and one electron interaction. One photon can transfer its energy to only one electron. Two photons cannot transfer its energy to one electron, or two electrons cannot get energy of one photon. One electron can get energy from only one photon. Then we can say that one electron or one photon is responsible for the emission of one electron.